Dave, welcome to the Misfits of Scale series, where we talk with insurgent leaders. And please tell us your story a little bit.
I started Warby Parker with my co-founders now almost 12 years ago, and we started the business really to solve our own problems. We were frustrated consumers and couldn't understand why glasses were so expensive and cost hundreds of dollars. And we also couldn't understand why no one was effectively selling glasses online and couldn't buy glasses the same way that I bought any other consumer product. And so we launched out of our apartments when we were full-time students, and then it was off to the races.
Inspiration to ex-Bain MBAs everywhere and more. And so today, you've scaled up 150 stores. How did you overcome all the normal challenges, stay on target to actually scale up the company to the level you are today?
We try to be as focused as possible, ensure that we're really understanding our customer needs, understand how we serve those customers. We have a store in our office, and our team members take shifts. I still take shifts on our with our customer service team. Net Promoter Score is one of the core metrics that we manage the business by, and we've just tried to have this relentless focus on serving customers and understanding what's working well and what's not, and how we delight those customers.
And along the way, you've also made a big difference. I know you've donated literally millions of glasses for the greater good.
Yeah, so when we launched the business, we were excited to think differently about this massive industry, but we were equally excited by the prospect of using business as a platform for doing good. And so that's where we came up with the idea for our Buy a Pair, Give a Pair program, where for every pair of glasses we sell, we distribute a pair to someone in need. And that has not only been motivating to us as founders, but it's helped us attract some of the most talented, passionate, curious people in the world, who want to work for a mission-driven organization, who want their work to have impact.
And you have role modeled, by the way, as a corporation, a public benefits corporation, a B Corp, listing directly, first to do so.
Absolutely. We believe that companies don't have to make a choice between being great to their shareholders and great to other stakeholders. And we hope that we can have a lot of direct positive impact ourselves, but also hopefully can inspire a lot of other companies and a lot of other entrepreneurs to think along the same lines and show that you can do this at scale and you can do this in the public markets. And so we're excited for that next leg of our journey.
Thanks for spending the time with us. I look forward to seeing what extraordinary things you and Warby Parker will continue to do and make a difference in the world, and as an ex-Bain, make us proud. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Manny.